You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is an addition of parts, and especially one involving the iris of the eye. If you want to learn more medical terms, names from anatomy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Two different ways of pronouncing it: Synechia, Synechia, or Synechia. Both pronunciations are accepted and correct in English. So let's listen to those two pronunciations in English again. How to pronounce Synechia or Synechia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.